Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. Since the last video I had posted, I'd come on and I had mentioned that I had a goal of 100 subscribers. Didn't hit 100 subscribers yet, but we did go 15 new subscribers since the last video, so I wanted to thank you. Between all the videos, we've had, just the last one, we're up 285 views. The first one I posted, 738 views, had 15 likes on one of them, 20 on another one, a bunch of comments, so I really appreciate the engagement. Definitely comment on the videos. I love responding to everyone. It's cold out here right now, as you can probably tell, so I've been doing a lot of riding today, so I think this is I'm gonna wrap it up after this. But 20 more to go, and I'll hit 100. Again, you know, drop your likes. Definitely comment. If you guys go to the comment section, you'll notice anyone who's commented, I've responded back. I like interacting with you all. The next best part of doing this, other than, you know, riding around and, you know, having a lot of fun doing it, is creating the videos to share with everyone. The CFMOTO world is starting to grow. Initially, I think like a lot of you, when I first was trying to determine what would be best for me, I kept leaning to the other brands, but then I kept coming back to CFMOTO because of the price. So when we think in terms of price, we immediately go to, oh, if it costs more, it must be better. I have to tell you honestly, this was a great decision that I made. I have had zero issues with the CFMOTO. A couple little things which are not really CFMOTO issues. They're just more of breaking in any new machine issues. Like initially this was sticking a little bit, but in time, everything breaking in, it's fine. So if you're considering a machine, definitely consider CFMOTO. Again, I am in no way affiliated with CFMOTO. I'm just a fan. I'm hoping that more CFMOTO dealerships are going to open up in the US. I'm hoping the popularity of these catches on. As most of you know, I also have a Jeep, and I'm in the Jeep groups. It would be great where throughout New England we started putting together CFMOTO groups, which I'm seeing more and more of. So as the season continues, I'll continue to do these videos. Hopefully once the spring comes in and all the trails reopen that are for public use, I'm going to get involved with other CFMOTO riders, do some videos with multiple machines in them, some that are a little more conducive to heavier abuse, if you want to call it that. So I'm looking forward to getting shots on the camera of other users as well, and also getting their feedback, and if they're willing, presenting it back to you in these videos. So keep watching. Share my videos out if you can, if they interest you and you're also interested in getting the word spread about CFMOTO. And don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next trail. I'm gonna head back to the ranch. It's getting cold out here. My nose is about to fall off. Without you guys watching, again, the best part of this is riding. The second best part is sharing the experience with you. So I value every subscriber. I value every new watcher. And hopefully by the end of the month, when I come back with a new video, I can say that I hit 100 subscribers, and we'll just continue to grow the audience. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time on Simply New England. always sucks when you lose your camera.